गव्हर्नमेंटाचे परफॉर्मन्स पळयले, युटिलायझेशन पळयलें. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी नथींग. इट्स इलेक्शन इयर, सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी अनदर इलेक्शन जुमला. समज मुख्यमंत्र्याक खरें बजेट दाखोवपाचें आशिल्लें जाल्यार लास्ट इयर हांवें ताका सांगिल्लें की तुवें पयल्या वर्साचो एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट दी म्हणून. ताणें 31 मार्च 2020 एक्शन टेकन रिपोर्ट पयल्या वर्साचो दिता म्हणून सांगिल्लो. तोच आज पर्यंत येवना. When action taken report on a budget which has been introduced by the government is not coming in to know what the government has done, how can you expect something more? This can be a populist budget again to fool the people. कित्याक ह्या सरकाराक एक संवय जाल्ली आसा की लोकांक जुमला दाखोवन प्रॉमिसीस फॉल्स प्रॉमिसीस करून फक्त इलेक्शनां काडप. ZP जाली, म्युनिसिपालिटी जालें. सो आय थिंक दिस इज नथिंग गोइंग टू बी मोर देन अ जुमला बजेट. If the government is clear, the chief minister has to introduce very clearly the action taken report along with his performance of last year, what he has done as far as that budget was concerned, and taje utilization. I am made to understand कि आज सुद्धा supplementary होवपाचे आसा फाटल्या हाचे. So where is the question of talking about any fresh budget and its ideas? It's nothing but another election jumla.
But finally, budget has to be implemented. Budget has to be presented.
The budget has to be in realistic mode which Goa looks for. फाटल्या वर्साचें बजेट कितें जालें मुख्यमंत्र्यान पयलें रिप्लाय दिवपाक जाय. क्रायम जावं बाकीचें जावं सगळें पळयतकच थंय दिसता की वॉट एवर ही स्पोक वॉज नथींग बट जस्ट टू फूल द पीपल. ही वील ट्राय टू फूल द पीपल मे बी टुडे येवनी बजेट मागीर कळटलें. बट आय एम व्हेरी शुअर कि दिस बजेट ऑल्सो विल बी ओनली फॉर अ बजेट फॉर अ इलेक्शन इयर, नथिंग मोर देन दैट.
But how come the united opposition is not there on this, especially question on all this? What has happened? Like even you and Raman Kamath also has said.
I am. One thing is clear: in democracy, if democracy has to survive, along with the ruling, there has to be a strong opposition. Strong opposition not only in the assembly but outside the assembly also. Lack of strengthening of a united opposition outside the assembly is strengthening the BJP today to win particular seats. Here results Sudha Pahle, ZP results Pahle is only division of votes. I think better sense prevails on the tall leaders to come together unitedly to ensure that the party who is in power today, whom we are only exposing, also gets converted into electoral votes, and Goa needs the change that Goa gets it. Reflects.
Who is to be blamed when you talk about the opposition?
Today is not the time to play any blame game. We have to all sit together, put our differences, egos and कितें आसा aside, and ensure with only one thing की गोंय समज सांबाळपाक जाय. गोंय समज फुडाराक जाय जाल्यार आमकां गोंयाच्या दृश्टिकोनांतल्यान सगळ्यांक एकठांय येवन काम करपाची गरज आसा, irrespective of personal differences.
So how you see 2 years completion of Pramod Sawant government?
2 years कितें
Completion of Pramod Sawant
जाल्या 2
government.
वर्सां कंप्लीट ताजे कितें केलां तुमी सांगपा जाय. आय थिंक मिडिया शूड टॉक अबाउट वॉट डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत हॅज डन फॉर द लास्ट 2 years. म्हादय विकली, मोलें विकलें, कोळसो हाडपाक वता. So basically 2 years of completion has only been a tribute to his bosses in the center to please them and ensure that his seat is proper. I don't think the Pramod Sawant government has done anything for the state. Everybody knows what the status is. I would less comment. I would only wish him की उरला ते वर्स तरी आमचे मातशे म्हादय सांबाळुया, मोलें सांबाळुया, जे कितें उरलां आमचे CRZ खातीर जे तुमी परत परत पोर्ट लिमिट्स नाका आशिल्ले घेवन येतात ते सांबाळुया. सगळें सांबाळून गोंय सांबाळपाची तरी प्लेज घेवया इतलें तागडे मागता.
Like Reginald has said that the plan has come for all MLAs to go at the site now for inspection and all. Are you ready to do that?
Question is not only going to site. I think a very strong decision needs to be taken from the whole people. 40 people taking resolutions, going to center, coming back, going to center, coming back. What has it happened? End of the day, the chief minister is doing what he wants. So आमकां थंय व्हरता, ती याद करता, परत येता आनी थंयच्यान मागीर फोन मारता आसतलो सांगपाक की बेटा हाडलें हांकां, तूं जाय तें कर म्हणून. ज्या तरेन म्हादय चल्ल्या, मोल्या चल्ला, CRZ चल्ला, सगळ्यात पळय तूं कितें चल्लां तें. वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द स्टेट? So 2 years of governance, we should salute the Pramod Sawant for having sold Goa to the center in these 2 years, allowing the center to do what they want for their own whims and fancies. So Goa is being used for center's equation, not for Goa amcha rakpak by this Pramod Sawant government.